Welcome back to the Home Studio Simplified channel. Today we're going to be doing a gear review on the Alpha FX by Donner. The Alpha FX guitar pedal is an effects chain which combines modulation, delay, and reverb effects all in one small footprint, and each effects module offers 3 carefully selected effect types. Now let's go ahead and take a look at each of those effects so that we can dive deeper into what exactly this pedal does. The first effect in the chain is Reverb, and it offers 3 different selections of plate, hall, and room. The level of reverb can be adjusted using the level knob, which is located just to the right of the effect selector switch. The knob is very precise and allows you to blend in the affected signal to taste. Reverb timing can be adjusted using the Decay knob, located just to the right of the level knob. And reverb times for each effect are as follows. For the plate reverb, you have a time of 500 to 10,000 milliseconds. For the hall reverb, you have 500 to 20,000 milliseconds. And for the room reverb, you have 200 to 4,000 milliseconds effect time. The next effect in the chain is the delay. The delay offers 3 fine-tuned knobs for level, feedback, and decay. Offering 3 of the most widely used delay effects, you can switch between analog, digital, and reverse. Delay times can be dialed in anywhere from 25 to 2000 milliseconds, and the additional tap tempo control is very convenient as well for a wide variety of scenarios. The last in the signal chain is the modulation section, harboring 3 more widely used effects, namely chorus, flanger, and phaser. This section has 2 fine-tune adjustment knobs for rate and depth. With the wide variety of tonal options that this pedal has to offer, you'll be able to get a great sound in nearly any situation. Some key points to mention is the fact that this is very compact in size, with a length of only 7.5 inches, a width of 2.5, and a height of 1.5 inches. It has a very small footprint and can fit easily on any pedal board. The bright LED indicators for each one of the effects is ideal for dark rooms, and the 3 types of guitar effects is awesome to have in one chain. The fact that it combines 9 carefully selected modulation, delay, and reverb effects in one makes it a very easy choice for any pedal board. Also, the tap tempo function for an instant rate and time control is a huge win. The fact that it has a DC 9-volt jack on the back of the unit for your power supply makes it very easy to integrate into any pedal board. Included in the package is the Donner Alpha FX guitar effects pedal, the pedal power adapter, as well as a user manual. A quick rundown of the specifications: it has a 1/4 inch mono jack input, a 1/4 inch mono jack output. It's fed power by a DC 9-volt negative in the center. It has a working current of 100 milliamps, and the dimensions, as already stated, is 7.5 by 2.5 by 1.5. The chassis itself is made of aluminum alloy, and all of the foot switches feel very nice to the touch. Now let's hear some sound examples of the pedal in action so that you can hear a good representation of what it might sound like in different scenarios. Granted, this is not an in-depth tutorial on all of the effects or sounds that you can get from this pedal, as there are way too many to even go through, but this should give you at least a pretty good idea. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, click that bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. So until next time guys, I'll see y'all later.